Hello, I'm Renee Esquivel, and you're tuned into my YouTube channel, Technologist on the Go. Well, my Gen 3 Prius, the second one I've owned and the second one to blow a head gasket, the head gasket solution I used on the prior one to get 140,000 miles only got me to 50,000 and was done. So what to do? I had to get an engine. Let me show you what I did and who I recommend. Now here's my 2014 Toyota Prius, and the engine I got is from JDM Motors in Seattle, Washington. Now I live in Metro Atlanta, Georgia. So let me show you the engine that's been installed. Okay, so here you can see the engine. Let me take this cap off here. Okay, and you can see the engine here that was installed. Now let me show you where I'm at with the engine. And this is a, technically speaking, this is a 3-month review. You can see that I'm at 258,000 miles, almost 259,000. And this was put in when I was at 252,000. So I've gotten nearly 7,000 miles of use out of it. And I'm doing the review now because most places will give you about a 6,000 mile warranty, but a short period of time, best 1 year, but usually much less, a month to 3 months on it. Okay, now this is the website I was directed to, and it was a shout out to my cousin Ronnie out in San Francisco who knows cars. And when I talked to him in desperation saying, look, my back's up against the wall, my car's been down for months. I don't have the $11,000 the dealer wants to fix it, which is about twice what the car's worth. And I was down to doing rideshare to get to my assignments, which was taking 40-50% of the profits of the jobs that would even marginally provide some income with that much of an investment up front just to get to and from. Well, this place, I spoke with them. They do warranty, but it's about the same warranty. Now, I did find 2 places locally here in my neck of the woods in Georgia. One salvage yard wanted $1,600 for the engine, and it would have over 140,000 miles. Another shop, maybe 10 miles away, said it would be $2,600 with the 1-year unlimited warranty, unlimited miles. But again, over 140,000 miles. And what JDM says is that their engines are between 40 and 65,000 miles. And it was $999. Now, of course, they're out on the West Coast, and I'm here on the East Coast. Initially, they told me they had a location in Philadelphia that would give me a call, and that way I could save on shipping, because the total cost, tax included, would be $1,400 if I was to get it from this Seattle location. Well, the location in Philadelphia never called me, so when I called them back, they said, okay, look what we'll do. We'll get you the engine, and it'll be $1,200 flat fee. That includes shipping, that includes taxes. And so with the help of a very blessed family member who helped out in this, I got the money up front to go ahead and get this engine, and now it's in my Prius. And I showed you what the mileage is, that it's averaged over 7,000 miles, but lately it's very common for me to get between 52 and 56 miles to the gallon, as you can see in these snapshots I'm showing of mileage that I've obtained on this vehicle. So you can see the mileage I've been getting, and that's not over short distances either. But now let me show you what the engine was like, because that also was impressive. My mechanic, it's a local mechanic who put the engine in for $1,000, which is very, very reasonable. I had the engine delivered to his residential shop, and you can see here a side view of the vehicle, a top view of the engine, another side view, and a rear view. And I was impressed. My mechanic said of the salvage engines he's put in, he's never seen one that was delivered in such quality. Hope this helps, and please give us a like and subscribe, and post your comments in the messages section, and I will try to respond to each of them. And it is still true, if you subscribe to me and you have a channel, I do counter subscribe so that we can build each other's channels up and we can all progress and advance as good neighbors should. Thank you very much.